Alright guys, in this video we're going to create a hypotenuse calculator program. You may or may not need to include this header file. Include C math. Let's declare our variables. This will be of the double data type, double A. We declare but not assign a value. Then double B. And finally double C. We declare but not assign value. Now let's ask for some user input. We'll create some prompt. Standard output. Enter side A, column space. Then I'll add a new line. Standard input. Now we'll do the same thing for side B. I'm going to copy this section of code, paste it underneath, but change it to enter side B and input B. Now let's do the calculations. The formula for calculating side C is the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared all together in the square root. So make sure you include C math at the start. We will take a, then assign this a value of the power function, a squared. So it is a to the power of 2. Then make sure to add a semicolon. Then we will take b, then do the same thing as a, except that we will raise b to the second power. Alright, now we can do the calculations for c. We will set c equal to the square root function, pass in a plus b. And at the end of our program, let's display standard output side C is column space. Let's display our C variable. Then I'll add a new line. And that should be everything. Let's run this program. Alright, enter side A, 3, enter side B, 4, side C is 5. Let's try that again. Enter side A, 5, 6. Side C is 7.81025. And yeah, everybody, that is the hypotenuse calculator program. If you like a copy of all of this code, I'll post this in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, make sure by smashing that like button, leave a random comment down below, and subscribe me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!